Hello! As you can see, I've changed positions in my office. I was trying to figure out the best place to film, but check out the super cool string lights behind me there because I am incredibly unique and not at all like other beauty YouTubers. So that's what those lights stand for. Yeah, today I'm just trying out a couple of products that were recommendations of beauty influencers lately. I have already used all of them. Prior to this, I actually did not like a couple of the products, so I wanted to give them another shot using them in different ways to see if we can get different results. So please bear with me if the lighting's terrible. Okay, so my neighbor just started his motorcycle. Like right as I turned on the camera. Okay, so my pores have just been the size of craters lately. So what I'm gonna do today is try out the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Buildable Hydrating Cream. I'm not actually sure what it's supposed to do. It came as a sample. It says after cleansing, massage dollops. I like that word. It makes me think of whipped cream. Massage dollops of the cream into your face. Add additional layers to prime skin to desired effect for makeup and or life. Okay, just exploded a little bit. Okay. And this might be too much. Oh god. It is starting to get a little bit tacky now. My pores look the same though. I have been trying to use the Born This Way foundation. I think it's a little bit too yellow for me, which is my fault. I ordered online. But it says it's supposed to be undetectable and I just don't find that to be true. So I'm gonna go back and use the NYX Total Control because I actually really did like it when I used it the last time. So I'm gonna apply it with this optical blurring brush of mine from Decay. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my damp Fenty Beauty sponge. It doesn't feel so damp anymore. And then because this foundation is buildable, I'm gonna do, oh Jesus, do another layer, I guess you could say. I am not going to set this in the slightest. Saw a video of Kylie explaining how to do her brows. So I mean, if it works for Kylie, it must work for everybody. I can only speculate. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Medium Brow Powder Duo. Taking the darker color on an angled brush. This is not what Kylie advised. She used a pencil, but I'm just not in the mood for a pencil right now. So I don't want to go too crazy with any of the makeup today because I'm going for sushi and I'm just anticipating it getting all over my face because I lose all self-control when I walk into an all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant. Which, by the way, the one time I went to sushi with my sister, in our bowl of edamame, we got about halfway through it before we noticed that there were bean sprouts and pieces of chicken in it, so we assumed somebody's garbage was dropped into our bowl of edamame. So now Kylie says to go in with concealer under the brow. Precision of a surgeon. Did that even do anything? But now I think that they don't look even at all. Oh well. Okay, and then Kylie says she uses that concealer on her lid too. Alright, and now Kylie Jenner instructions will end. Yeah, right on. They don't even look a little bit symmetrical, so that's something I like about myself today. Yeah, apparently my memory card is deathly close to being full, so I have to go real quick, and I still have no idea what I'm doing with my eyes. So, don't rush me. Okay, so I had every intention of showing you how I was gonna do my eye makeup today, but huge disaster. A monumental train wreck. I should have probably said this before when I was doing my brows, but I'm trying out the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Fair. I have been enjoying this concealer so far, but I am finding it a little tricky to conceal the darkest parts under my eye but I've been blending it out with a beauty blender, so I'm wondering if I use a brush, if that'll maybe not shear out the coverage. So I will blend this out with just a flat concealer brush, and okay, and now I'm gonna blend out just the edges, so not near the dark spots that I'm trying to conceal. It might have worked a little bit better. The dark spots that are over here, I can still kind of see them, but I think that covered it a little bit better than it normally does, so I can't stop looking at my eye makeup. I hate it with every ounce of my being. Because I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint, the like liquidy creamy blush, I'm gonna put that on before I set anything on my face. I'm going to apply it using my beauty blender again. Going with my NYX Contour Bronzy. This is another purchase that I did not realize how much I would like it. And now that that's on, I'm going to bake using Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. So it's not considered baking unless I let it sit in a ridiculous looking way on my face. Oh, there we go, white beard. Okay. Now I'm going to try out this one, which I have wanted to like this one so much. The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. I feel like this is bringing out texture in my skin too every time I use it, so I'm going to try to keep it just above my cheekbones and not near where the pores like to hang out. This is not one that I'm reviewing. This is one I've had for quite a while. The Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion. You can see how pretty it is. So same fan brush, and I'm just gonna go over top of where I put the Hourglass. According to Rihanna's makeup artist, if you put some on your brow bone and then up the sides of your temples, you will wake up tomorrow looking like Rihanna. It's a fact. She said it. Now I'm gonna get rid of this craziness. I'm going to set the rest of my face just softly using the same Cover FX. Alright, lash time. I am not going to do false lashes for sushi. I know, I'm a daredevil. I don't know how there are people in the world who don't have to curl their lashes when they're not wearing falsies, but I am not one of them. Someone would ask me which way the beach is, and my lashes would direct them to my feet. So this mascara is pretty clumpy. By pretty clumpy, I mean like holy crap clumpy. I'm just gonna run through with a clean mascara wand. What do I want to do for lips? Oh, I know. I'm going to use YSL number 10. Alright, so this is my going to sushi plan to eat so much I may need my stomach pumped look for the day. I felt like I had to hop back on here really quick for two reasons. Number one, I completely lost track of time when I was getting ready, so my sister showed up to go for lunch and I literally turned off the camera and ran out the door. And the second reason is that I just wanted to talk a bit about the foundation. Now that I've been wearing it for, what time is it? 4 hours, I am actually so much happier with the way the foundation looks now compared to when I put it on earlier. You can see my pores, but no more than you'd be able to see if I wasn't wearing makeup, which is kind of unusual for me. So as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my itty bitty channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, bye. Nap time. Nap time.